Today we will discuss the kinetics of enzyme catalyst or Michael's Mentene equation, which is also known as Mentene equation. Now let us consider that an enzyme that is reacting with substrate S lead to the formation of enzyme substrate complex, and that is further dissociated into the product. Now when we finally derive this equation, we will get this equation: rate is equals to K2 E naught into S Km plus S. Here maximum rate for enzyme catalyst is K2 E naught. So K2 E naught is replaced by that is maximum rate. Here Km is known as Michael's Mentene constant, and its value is K minus 1 plus K2 divided by K1. So here we will replace K2 E naught by B max S. So its rate is equals to B max S plus Km plus L S. This is Michael's Mentene equation. Now there are two cases. If Km maintaining constant is greater than substrate concentration, then rate is equals to B max that Km and substrate concentration S from this equation. So here we can see that it is following your first order reaction. In second case is that when Km is less than S, then concentration of S is greater, so we can neglect Km in comparison to S. Therefore R is equals to B max. So what we are getting, we can cancel S with S and be getting M, so it is zero order reaction. So what we can say that, we say that at certain time the rate of enzyme reaction is constant, or and that is zero order, and in intermediate it follows the first order kinetics. Now we will also find some parameter, that is turnover number or turnover frequency. Turnover number or turnover frequency is defined as number of molecules of the substrate divided by number of moles of the enzyme into time taken. Okay, so we have to find, if we have given concentration of enzyme and that is molecules of substrates, the number of moles of substrate, so we can find turnover number or turnover frequency, that is number of molecule of substrate, number of molecule of enzyme into time taken. Again we can convert this equation into line Weaver-Work method, since we know that R is equals to B max into S Km plus S. So on arranging these equation, what we are getting, 1 by R that is equals to Km by B max into S plus 1 by me x. Now if we compare with the equation y equals to mx plus c, we get slope is equals to that is Km plus B max, and intercept is equals to that is 1 by B max. Similarly we have also Eddy and Hofstede's method. In this method we will also convert this equation by simple modification into these equations. Also we can find turnover number. Turnover number is equal to K2, since we know that B max is equal to K2 into E naught, therefore K2 is equals to B max divided by E2. Now what is this turnover number? That how many number of moles of substrates are converted into products by using given concentration of enzyme. Similarly, catalytic efficiency, we divide K2 by Michael's Mentene equation. Therefore, turnover number is equal to Km, that is equal to B max into divided by E naught into 1 by Km.